What's up? This is Theo here, and welcome to Lesson 6 here on FreeCodeCamp, Responsive Web Design, Certification Applied Visual Design, and today we will be learning about tertiary colors. So you can go ahead and read this. Here are the colors created using the split complement scheme to change the background color property of the orange, cyan, and raspberry classes to their respective colors. So we're just going to go ahead and copy this hex code here for orange. We're going to grab cyan, however you say it. Just format that a little bit. And raspberry. Alright, good to go. Let's go ahead and run this. And we'll go to the next challenge. Adjust the color of various elements to complementary colors. So the page will use a shaded teal as the dominant color, and it's orange complement to visually highlight the center buttons. Change the background color of both header and footer from black to the teal color. Okay, so here we go. Header and footer. So what we're going to do is we're going to just do this, that, and H2 element should have color of this hex right here. And here we go. And the button should have a background color of this right here. So we'll grab this, format that a little bit, and good to go. Okay, number 3, adjust the hue of a color. So colors have several characteristics, including hue, saturation, and lightness. CSS3 introduces the HSL property, or a function, as an alternative way to pick a color by directly stating these characteristics. Hue is what people generally think of as a color. If you picture a spectrum of colors starting with red on the left, moving through green in the middle, and blue on right, the hue is where a color fits along this line. In HSL, hue uses a color wheel concept instead of the spectrum, where the angle of the color on the circle is given as a value between 0 and 360. Saturation is the amount of gray in a color. A fully saturated color has no gray in it, and a minimally saturated color is almost completely gray. This is given as a percentage with 100% being fully saturated, and lightness is the amount of white or black in a color. Okay, so change the background color of each div based on the class names. Okay, so we'll take green, and again you can sort of experiment with this, right? If we go down, we can sort of see we get a darker green, right? The darkness gets pretty much black, right? So let's bring it back up to 50. We can sort of see as we adjust these, right? What do we get? We get sort of a more funky blue as we keep going. Alright, so again, we'll just keep adding on to these. We'll grab cyan, and we will grab background color, and blue. Where's blue? Let's grab that, fix that format, and run it. Good to go. Number 4, just the tone of a color. So the nav element should have a background color of the adjusted cyan tone using the HSL. So starting with the color as a base, add a background color to the nav element, so you use the same cyan hue. Okay. There's a 180, 80%, and 25%. Cool. So I'm gonna run this. Good to go. And I think that's 5. Let me just confirm. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now we're going to be doing a linear gradient. So applying a color on HTML elements is not limited to one flat hue. CSS provides the ability to use color transitions, otherwise known as gradients, on elements. This is accessed through the background property linear gradient. So the first argument specifies the direction from which the color transition starts. The following argument specifies the order. Okay, let's use linear gradient for the div elements background. So we can say background, we can say linear gradient, and we want to do 35 degrees, and we want to use this as the color, and F, and then let me see, I want to do FFCCCC, I'm sorry, FFCCCC, let's make sure that works, and then Set it from direction of 35 degrees, change the color. 80 degrees. Red, yellow, RGB. Let me see, that should work. Specify colors. Direction and colors, 35 degrees. Direction 35 degrees, change the color. Do I need color 1, color 2? Did I do that wrong? Oh, sorry, I think I did that wrong. There we go. Had one extra character in there. Good to go. Alright guys, that was lesson 6. Hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.